Maritime piracy, very means what you can say, it's a important topic and interesting topic. So this video is all about the maritime piracy and the most dangerous shipping routes in the world is exist. Okay, so if you want to know all the details regarding maritime piracy and the shipping routes, dangerous shipping routes, you have to stay tuned till last of this video. So in this video we will discuss regarding the maritime piracy, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So welcome back to my channel, Way to Merchant you guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. So in this video already I have told, so maritime piracy, yeah, you can say now the growth is in a declining path. So the maritime piracy is not like before, but still it's happening day by day. Obviously it's happening. That is why people are reporting in IMB, right, International Maritime Bureau. It's in the Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. So people is to report on the IMB. So I will discuss regarding most dangerous shipping routes, the 7 most dangerous shipping routes where piracy occurs. So I will take little help from my mobile phone, otherwise it will be very difficult to remember all the names and all. Okay, so the first route is the Suez Canal. So as you guys know that Suez Canal will find in the Mediterranean and the Red Sea. So Suez Canal is a very important route for the maritime industry. Lot of tons of cargo used to carry via Suez Canal, but that is why pirates chosen to attack on these routes, because without Suez Canal maritime industry is nothing. So in my list the number 1 is Suez Canal. In the second, the Turkish Strait of the Bosphorus. Bosphorus, you have, I guess you have heard about the Bosphorus, one of the strait basically between the Asia and Europe. You will find this strait, the Turkish Strait of Bosphorus. So this is one of the piracy prone strait, you can say. So in my list Turkish Strait of Bosphorus will be there in my second term. Now we'll move to the third. In the third, that is Hormuz Strait. Hormuz Strait basically links with the Omani Gulf with the Gulf of Persia in the Middle East Asia. Okay, so you'll find the Hormuz Strait on that route. It is very lethal. Okay, in my fourth, it will be the Bab el Mandab Strait. Okay, Bab el Mandab Strait. So it is basically passage of vessel along the northeastern Africa for vessel wanting to cross into Suez Canal. The strait is necessary route, thus forms a major choke point. Okay, so in my fifth I will keep the Malacca Strait. I have told a lot of things regarding the Malacca Strait. So the Malacca Strait is one of the most piracy prone, basically connecting the Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean through the South China Sea. Okay, so I will definitely already, so you can see in the map also the location of the Malacca Strait. Okay. In my sixth list I will keep the Danish Strait. Okay, so extreme importance in the Northern European maritime network. The Danish Strait shipping route help the interlink the North Sea with the Baltic Sea, especially with the respect to the oil tanker ships that cross from Eastern Europe, mainly Russia. So last but not the least, I will keep in my 7th position, that will be the Panama Canal. Panama Canal, basically I have that experience. I have crossed twice in my career Panama Canal. So there are 2 lock gates. Okay, we will discuss regarding Panama Canal with several videos. That is very long video, Panama Canal, regarding the discussion of the Panama Canal. So now let's move to again come back to the piracy concern. So the Panama Canal basically joins the your South America and the North America, means USA and the South America. So that canal, without this canal the shipping industry is null and void, because we have to pass the Panama Canal to transit to the South America and the North America. So Panama Canal is very prone to piracy, especially the Balboa anchorage. The guys who have did the Balboa anchorage, they have seen that anchorage also vigilant watch is going on the deck rounds are going on due to this piracy is concerned. But in that piracy, see, the motive of piracy in several places are different. That thing you have to understand. Okay, some pirates intend to take the oil from the ship. Some pirates want the ransom money. Some pirates want hijack the ship for the ransom, definitely. So this kind of thing you have to understand. But piracy is really threat for the seafarers, the maritime industry. I guess this is more dangerous and the serious issue than your thunderstorm at sea or any kind of perils at sea. Okay, so I guess one of the most dangerous perils at sea is piracy. And if you are selling with a, means what you can say, not that kind of big brand with brand value is there with the company, if you are selling with a small company, and if you face the piracy, then and if you got hijacked, then it will be very big concern for you, because small company doesn't have that kind of money for the ransom, so they can pay the pirates and they will leave you. So it will, I have actually I have read lot of stories regarding the piracy. I would like to recommend you one movie that is called Captain Phillips. You can go and watch that movie if you want to know the pirates. I guess all the seafarers already watched that movie. I have that book also, the hard copy book I have. So the Richard Phillips, the captain itself wrote the book. I have brought that book. I have that book in my collection. So the book, if you buy, so if you will come to know a lot of things regarding the piracy, lot of things, the brief details regarding piracy. So video is already getting so long. I have talked a lot, so I guess you have understood this video. So if you like, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.